Welcome, luxury seekers, to our exploration of one of the most iconic landmarks in Dubai, the Burj Al Arab Hotel. Join us as we uncover 15 fascinating facts about this architectural marvel that redefines opulence and extravagance. Fact 1. Iconic design. Did you know that the Burj Al Arab is not just a hotel, but a symbol of modern Dubai? Its distinctive sail-shaped silhouette has made it one of the most recognizable buildings in the world. Fact 2. 7-star status. Contrary to popular belief, the Burj Al Arab is not officially rated as a 7-star hotel. However, its unparalleled luxury and service have earned it the unofficial title of the world's first 7-star hotel. Fact 3. Helipad tennis. In a spectacular publicity stunt, Andre Agassi and Roger Federer once played tennis on the hotel's helipad, suspended 211 meters above the Arabian Gulf. Talk about a match with a view. Fact 4. Opulent suites. The Burj Al Arab boasts some of the most luxurious suites in the world, including the opulent Royal Suite, which spans 2 floors and features a private cinema, library, and rotating canopy bed. Fact 5. Gold everything. Gold is a recurring theme throughout the hotel, with over 1,790 square meters of 24-karat gold leaf adorning the interior. From fixtures to furnishings, everything glitters with luxury. Fact 6. Underwater restaurant. One of the most unique dining experiences at the Burj Al Arab is Al Mahara, an underwater restaurant accessed via a simulated submarine voyage. Diners can enjoy exquisite seafood while surrounded by a vibrant marine environment. Fact 7. High tea tradition. Indulge in the quintessential British tradition of high tea at the Skyview Bar, located 200 meters above the Arabian Gulf. Sip on fine teas and savor delectable pastries while taking in panoramic views of Dubai's skyline. Fact 8. Luxurious transportation. Guests arriving at the Burj Al Arab are chauffeured in style with a fleet of Rolls-Royce Phantom luxury cars. It's the perfect way to make a grand entrance to this iconic destination. Fact 9. Lavish amenities. From lavish spa treatments to exclusive beach access at the nearby private island, the Burj Al Arab offers an array of amenities designed to pamper and indulge every guest. Fact 10. Height and structure. Standing at 321 meters tall, the Burj Al Arab is the 3rd tallest hotel in the world. Its innovative design includes a steel exoskeleton that provides both structural support and aesthetic appeal. Fact 11. Royal Suite price tag. Want to experience the pinnacle of luxury? The Royal Suite at the Burj Al Arab comes with a jaw-dropping price tag of over $20,000 per night, making it one of the most expensive hotel accommodations in the world.
Fact 12. Sustainability initiatives. Despite its lavishness, the Burj Al Arab is committed to sustainability. The hotel implements various eco-friendly practices, including energy-efficient lighting and water conservation measures. Fact 13. Royal Helipad. The hotel's helipad isn't just for tennis matches. It has also been used for extravagant arrivals, including a British Airways promotional stunt, where a helicopter landed on the helipad with a banner displaying the airline's logo. Fact 14. World's tallest atrium. The Burj Al Arab features one of the world's tallest atriums, soaring to a height of 180 meters. Its awe-inspiring design includes a cascading waterfall and vibrant interiors that reflect the colors of the Arabian Gulf. Fact 15. Global icon. Since its opening in 1999, the Burj Al Arab has become a global icon synonymous with luxury and extravagance. It has welcomed royalty, celebrities, and discerning travelers from around the world, solidifying its status as a symbol of Dubai's rise as a cosmopolitan city. And there you have it, 15 incredible facts about the Burj Al Arab Hotel that showcase its unparalleled luxury, innovation, and iconic status. whether you're marveling at its architectural beauty or indulging in its lavish amenities. A visit to this landmark destination is truly an unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may your travels be as luxurious as the Burj Al Arab itself.